represent French and Algeria, and yes, that's it. I'm dancing since 20 years now, and 19 years of competition.
19 years. You love it, you enjoy it?
Yep, I grow with it. So, yes. So the workshop was cool, you know, like I love the energy, the people were really in it and you know, focused. And yes, it was a good practice for me because I just came from injury, so I can dance a little bit more, so I was happy to show more skills and stuff. And the event today was cool, I like it, you know, it's not only b-boys, like all kind of dance. You can come and chill with me and exchange, that's what I say. I don't want to do only against b-boy, I want to dance against dancer. That's it.
You liking the vibe? You like the vibe?
Yeah, I like it, the vibe. With the live band it's totally different because you really feel the music. So when you dance and you have a live band behind, not only a DJ, because with a DJ it's cool, but with a live band it's 3D, you know?
Yeah.
Do what you want to do and do what you feel to do, you know?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
And take your time.
Take your time.
Yes.
Alright, man. That's blessed. Peace out.